Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing trip prep. So I wanted to take you guys along with me. I'm going to be vlogging everything that I'm prepping for the trip. Honestly, I love these videos because it kind of tells me what I need to do, or just kind of like remind me of the things I need to do to prep for a trip, because as you know, prepping for a trip can be a little stressful. There's so many things, especially for us ladies, getting our hair done, nails done, all the things that we need to take on the trip. And by the way, I am going to Cancun with my girls, my bridesmaids, my friends. Like, it's gonna be lit, okay? Your girl will be vlogging that, so stay tuned for that video. It's gonna come right after this video, but y'all gotta get ready for the trip first. So as you can tell, the hair is done. Y'all, she is long. Yes, she is long. She is living her best life, okay? I'm so excited for Cancun. Right now, I'm gonna get my nubs done and my feet. They look scary. I'm going with my sister to get those done, and then we're gonna definitely need to do a Target run. So Target run is on the to-do list as well. That won't happen today. It'll probably happen in a couple days. I think we're about like 4 days away from, four or 5 days away from the trip. So I have some time, but I don't want to procrastinate too much because your girl still haven't packed, and I still need like accessories and shoes. And so y'all, I've been a mess. And tomorrow's my bridal shower, by the way, too, which you guys will see that as well because I'm vlogging. And so things are a little chaotic, right? We're really a month out from this wedding. So, or almost a month out from this wedding. So things are a little chaotic right now, but bear with me. Anyway, this is day one of trip prep. So just gonna do nails today, and then take you guys along the ride for the Target run. And also, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm packing and everything else. So let's just get into it. So I am with my sister now, and we're going to go get our nails done. She's also coming on the Cancun trip because she is the maid of honor. Yes. Yes, give her her crown. Yes. Look, your wave, do your wave. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Anyway, so like I said, we're going to get our toes and our nails done really quick. And we're super excited. I know, are you excited for Cancun? Because I'm excited. Hey, girl. So this is her first international trip, so I know this would be cool for her. But
I mean, not really, but flying, yes.
Yeah, flying, yes. Comment down below, do cruises count? Like, I just feel like cruises don't count. Look at that dog. Oh my God. Is that real? Oh no, it's not real.
You need to get neck for that.
Oh my God, it was cute though. All right, so we are doing a little late night Target run.
Hey, how you doing?
Kayla is back. This is day 2 of travel prep. So we're just really doing like all toiletries. We honestly need to look at jewelry too. That's like cute little jewelry, makeup, all the things. So hopefully we don't end up coming out here spending hella money. Let's get into it.
We can't make no promises though.
So even though I'm here for travel essentials, I have to come look at the decor in Target. And literally my favorite section in Target, literally. So stress relieving.
Makeup.
The fun part.
Yes.
Oh, I love this lip gloss.
Side of me.
This lip gloss is amazing.
Oh, it's one named after your girlfriend.
Wait, let me see. Oh, Amber. Oh, I have to get that. Not me buying stuff impulsively because it's my name and I have to get it. And it's cute nice too. Yeah. Okay, getting that.
Okay. Which one did you get me?
Oh, I need to get
Lashes. Which one did you
I need to get lashes because y'all, look, I have no lashes at all. Also, my eyes crusty. I have no lashes at all. I need to get lashes or I'm gonna be looking crazy. Wait, what are you looking for?
I think I want some different foundation. I want for that, you know that little blue jumper? The club outfit?
Yeah.
I was gonna do like a blue like little eyeliner. Like I like look in my like gonna do blue eyeliner to bring out that blue.
Yeah.
Do you think that's gonna look okay?
Yeah, but I would focus on definitely the foundation. I mean, you could do one, yeah. But I would do
I'm gonna get lip liner.
a cheap like liner. So me and Kayla, we're obsessed with the Karen. What's his name? Curvo. He like does like Karen impersonations. Anyway, me and Kayla are obsessed with him. And Kayla does the impersonations to a T.
Back it up. No, you can't come in there with a wristband. No. No. No, you're wearing Crocs. No, you can't. No, you can't.
I'm screaming. So, how much you think we're about to spend?
$80.
Yeah. We need Target predictions right now because y'all, look at this cart. Look at this cart. This was not supposed to happen, but it always happens in Target. Like, I have no self-control in here. None whatsoever.
In no store.
You said what?
In no store.
No.
You don't got no self-control in Home Goods either.
Okay, Home Goods is different. But I do in Walmart.
At home.
That's like home decor. Target is just like, I don't know. Anyway. We're about to check out. Welcome to day 3 of Bachelorette trip prep. So I wanted to show you guys really quick what I got from Target, a little Target haul. Y'all, tell me why I went in there and spent way too much money. Y'all saw in the previous clips, I asked my sister, how much do you think we're gonna spend? Because, I mean, I try to do that in Target, but it just never comes out right. And I'm always like picking up stuff. And y'all, I spent way too much money. I spent like $130, which is insane, but there are some stuff I could not resist. So this is one of them. Y'all, I literally cannot find this anywhere but Target. Like, Walmart is always out of these scrubs. And so this one is from Tree Hut. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but there you go. So this is, I want to say this is the, which one is this? The Shea Sugar Scrub. Smells so good. Oh my God. But my favorite one of all time is the Coconut Lime. Y'all, this is amazing. Like, I'm obsessed with this scrub. This will be gone like in no time. I mean, it's amazing. And I love these scrubs too because I love how thick they are. And I usually like a rougher kind of like, I don't know, just sugar scrub. It just makes me feel like I'm exfoliating. So that's always nice. Got some baby wipes just in case, you know, personal stuff. Also got some makeup wipes as well. Extra little mouthwash. I also got these magnetic lashes. So these are my first time like trying these and I'm super excited. Let me know down below in the comments if you've ever tried the magnetic lashes, but I'm excited. I have a couple of my girlfriends who are actually going on a trip that are doing these as well, and they like have done them before and they like them. So gonna try these out. Hopefully they'll hold, but I'm excited about that. And more sugar scrub because I'm addicted. I got like 3 of these. And then I did get some wax strips because I'm just like, just in case, like, y'all, I just, you know, just in case I need to like touch up my eyebrows or whatever, or, you know, my mustache. It is what it is, but I bought this just in case I need this. Sunscreen, of course. And then I got like other little stuff for just kind of like medical stuff. So Advil just in case, and then Pepto-Bismol as well. Needed some new mascara, and I got the little amber lip gloss that you guys saw in the previous clip. Then I got some really cute jewelry pieces as well. So I thought this was a cute little number to wear with some of my outfits. So that will definitely get worn. I just really love how these rings look. I thought that was a little cute little moment. So I don't know if the camera's gonna focus. There you go. So these rings from Target, I just thought that was really cute. Anyway, that's all of my $130 Target haul, y'all. I literally, like, I was sitting at the register and she said my total, like, like, what did I do? Me and my sister, because my sister brought stuff too, and she was like, oh my God, I did not expect to spend that much. But honestly, like, I mean, I don't regret it. It's Target. And plus, I will say, like, inflation is real, y'all. Like, have y'all seen the price of gas? And just really of anything, like, prices have gone up. But I wanted to show y'all real quick because I am prepping for the trip. I have already laid out all of my outfits for the trip as well too. So they're all on my floor. Oh, I got a little close. But anyway, all of my outfits are on the floor right now. So it is a little madhouse, but have my shoes in one pile, all of my like swimwear stuff, airport, cover-ups, things like that. And then I kind of like, these are like extra dresses that I'm gonna bring just in case. But I kind of have like casual and like dressy dresses kind of paired up for each night. So we'll be there for 4 nights. So I just want to kind of pair those up. And yeah, this is kind of like a sneak peek of the looks. I'm super excited, guys. And this is just more kind of like miscellaneous stuff that I want to bring. And of course, your girl got her packing cubes. So I'm gonna pack real quick and we're gonna speed this up a little bit. So let's get into the packing.